Hey everyone, Claire here, and my cruelty-free box has just arrived. I got rudely awakened this morning by the postman, which was, once I got downstairs, was not a rude awakening, so all good. The cruelty-free box was delayed this month because they've had new packaging, and I have not seen what it is. Ooh. Instead of it just being a sticker, it's a beautiful, actually printed box. I like that. That's very subtle. Very subtle. It says guilt-free beauty on the side, and it says the cruelty-free box on the front. I like the light purple. It's a good theme. So let's get into the box. We've got our information sheet on top, and all the information about the box is on the lid. I don't know if you're going to be able to see all of that without me tipping it up, but we've got quite a few items today. And we've got a flyer for Christmas gift suggestions. And then we've got our product information. So, they say this is edition 19, the November box. And it says, we hope you love our new boxes. You love them, reuse them. The first item on the list is a Aromatherapy hand cream from Tisserand, and it's a full-size product and it is worth $7.95. Rose and geranium. Oh, it smells amazing. But we all know I like rose, so I've actually got dry hands, especially here today and yesterday. Well, last 3 days actually. It's been terrible. The skin's been really dry and itchy. I've been working with a lot of fibres though, so that would explain it, that all the oil's been sucked out of my hands. That's really nice. Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh, I'd like that as a perfume. And it's soaking in quite nicely. I only used it a little bit and it's done the whole hands. That's really nice. It's not leaving a greasy sheen behind. It is soaking in really, really nicely. I like that. I love the smell. This box is worth it just for that. The next item is Flawless, the blending brush, full size, at $4.99. I do need a new blending brush, so can you see? Looks like quite a nice brush. It's very fluffy. Definitely interested to try that one, and I will let you know how it is. So it's an eco-friendly flawless blending brush. Works with both concealers and eyeshadows. The bristles are designed to diffuse powder, cream, gels and liquids. That looks good. Doesn't say where it's made out of though. I'm presuming it's synthetic since it's cruelty free. And the next item is Lose by Jean Sear Clear Spot Control. Retails full size and retails at $11.50. Wow. Don't know if I'll ever get to use this. I don't really get spots. As soon as you feel a blemish forming, with a cotton swab or applicator, apply clear directly to blemish for 30 seconds. Repeat up to 3 times. It says it's a powerful compound which leaves skin smooth, radiant and clear. 12 herbs and organic biodynamic alcohol. This tincture is the ultimate blemish control. Let's see if it smells. Yeah, that was a clever idea. I can't open it now. There we go. Just smells like alcohol. And it appears to be yellow. Brown yellow. So I'm not sure about that one. I'm probably not going to use it because I don't really get blemishes. I think maybe my niece will take that one. The next item is Spoiled Lips Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is a full-size product at $8.95. These matte lipsticks will last all day, all night. Not only will they last, they're also waterproof. Keep an eye on our website as there'll soon be some seriously quirky palettes by Spoiled Lips too. I have the colour Bondage, which looks like it's going to be a rosy pink. We'll need a knife. Can't get through the seal, I can't find my knife. Oh, done it. Oh wow, that's definitely a different shade to what was on the side. It's a dark red. Wow, that's a very vamp red. If you can see it there. That looks interesting. Definitely interested to try that one. All day and all night. That's quite a claim. So we'll give that one a test. I'm not sure when because it is quite a vampy colour. But hopefully soon. Actually, I'm doing a show tomorrow, so maybe I could do it tomorrow. I'll be setting off at about 5. So I could put it on tomorrow and see if it lasts until I get home. The next item is Urban Veda Radiance Soothing Body Scrub. 50ml is $4.99, 200ml is $12.99. Turmeric and botanics. We actually drink turmeric every day. Freshly juiced turmeric is extremely good for your skin. And it's an anti-inflammatory, so it's good if you've got injuries like I do. Gently exfoliate and buff away dead skin with these body scrubs, harnessing the power of nature. The exfoliant is pumice stone and crushed walnut shell powder, so it isn't plastic. Oh, again, you know, you get that half an hour when you put hand cream on where you can't open anything plastic. Oh, that smells really good. If you can see it. So it's just like a gel that smells really, really, really good. I am going to use that tonight when I get in the bath, I think. It's got marigold, patchouli, coriander, as well as turmeric. Problem with turmeric is though, it everything it touches gets stained yellow, especially if you use fresh, and fresh is better. But I got some on my hands after I'd put it in my juicer, and my whole hand was yellow for about 3 days. So you have to be really careful, and your juicer will be yellow afterwards. So don't be surprised. There we go. So that's it. All in all, a fabulous box. I am really, really happy with that. That is a really good box. Can't wait to try the lipstick. Love the hand cream. Brush looks fabulous. And the body scrub also smells divine and looks really good. So, thanks so much for watching. Bye.